What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as I told you guys in the last video, I was going to be replacing the window regulator. So I got the window down now. We're going to take off these two 10mm bolts, this one right here and this one inside here, right there. And those two bolts are the ones that are holding the window down. So once we get those bolts out, we can take the window out. All right, guys, so all I did was I took those bolts out and the window just pulled right out. So the window's over there. Yeah. So now we're gonna take off all these little bolts, all these bolts to get the window regulator out. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we got 6 bolts that we gotta take out, and they're all 10mm. There we have it. All right, guys, so we got the old one there, brand new one here. We're gonna put this one in at an angle. Just make sure this part goes in first, that part, just like that, and now we're gonna secure all the bolts that lined up right here. So the ones we took off, we're gonna make sure it's lined up, and we're gonna bolt it back up. All right, guys, so now we gotta make sure, slide this so it lines up over here, just like that. That's the bolt we took off, and then this one should be straight, and then this right here has this part right here. So just pull it and line it up with these two holes right here, or this one and this one right here. Just like that. And now we can put those bolts in. All right, guys, so I already got the window in. I had to get some help from my girlfriend, but once you bolt these two bolts up, have someone help you put the window down slowly, and once you get it lined up with this one right here and this one right here, bolt it up, and then make sure that try to get the window on track right here, or else you're gonna have trouble rolling the window up. So make sure it's in between these little, it's a rubber line or something. It's where the window goes. Just make sure it's lined up right there so it's on track, and you should be good to go. Got the window rolled up now. It works. All right, it's pretty good. All right, guys, so now we're gonna put the door panel back on, and most of it clips on. There's only like 2 screws that's holding the door panel. Alright guys, so I got the door panel back on. The little handle thing is back on too. It's a little bit stiff, but I mean, better than it not working at all. So I appreciate you guys watching my videos. See you guys next time. Peace.